Quiet monkey. Yes, this is AI, actual images.
Do not try anything you see here at home or anywhere.
We are not experts.
We just play them on YouTube.
This channel receives zero compensation from any product of service mentioned.
In this episode of Busting Mods.
What vehicle is this again?
Who are the Busting Mods crew? We Fergie, a man with no Hollywood experience.
Good wood needs to be handled with care.
The extremely dynamic Cassie Dreyer. And the very animated Andy Made It. And the cute as a button Sandy Shores. And Boone the Wonder Dog. And our dedicated office staff, Karen Denver and Diane Price.
What vehicle is this again?
Hey, thanks for clicking your browser over to the YT, as the hot hep kids call it, YouTube. Anyway, it's a special video we got today. Where I've got not one, not two, but three non-install videos combined into one. Three what I consider the most essential. You gotta have them for your Rogue. Well, for my Rogue. You can have them for your Rogue if you want, but they're essential. And they, excuse me. What? Now? I'm writing the, dear. Fine. We have a special visitor, special guest that would like to drop in and say hi. So
I just wanted to say hi. Hi.
Well, thanks for that. Let's just get right to it. We're going to cut to me live in the garage to explain what's going on.
I am not bragging nor complaining. With having 5 vehicles in the last 5 years, which one am I driving? Is it the Equinox? Maybe the Tacoma is in this shot. Shuttlecraft, Colorado?
I like the Colorado.
Back to the shop, young lady.
Or completely different, an Altima? Or even whatever this is?
Well, this little goodie solves 2 problems. 1, it's a Rogue for dog owners. And 2 problem is, how many times has this happened to you? Yes, your door sills can get damaged because of spiked heels and doggy claws. We want to prevent that damage, and we want to know what vehicle we are driving. Well, the installation of these door sill protectors is about as straightforward as it gets. After getting rid of the obvious dirt and grime, take your rubbing alcohol and thoroughly cleanse it off so you've got a nice, clean surface to stick the door sill protector. Then you want to pre-position it so you've got an idea where it goes. Then you take your painter's tape and mark off the sides. Now you can do the big pro install tip. get your hair dryer because you want to get that metal up about 80 degrees or so, just a little warm to the touch. It helps the adhesive stick. We've peeled off the adhesive backing, placed it between the painter's tape, and pressing it down to make sure we get a good fit. And like with many of these adhesive products, you want to keep it dry for at least 24 hours. While I was doing this one, I found some minor scratches from Boone. And although it was short, it was through the paint. So yeah, you got your puppies, you got to have the sill protector.
Quiet Monkey, Buffalo Trace, we have been standing by for your call.
And there it is. One problem solved, so that every time I step into the Rogue, I know that I'm stepping into the Rogue. Oh, did you see how clever he was? He saw the Rogue door sill protector and he said, you know what? I don't need to step on that. It looks too nice. And when we get Boone out of the car, okay, come on, Boone. Come on. Good boy. Ah, see, there he stepped on it. Good boy. Nissan. Okay, so I'm in the car, door shut. I can't see the door sill protectors. I needed more.
What vehicle is this again?
Hey, Sandy.
You need help with the next segment?
I got it. Thanks.
Okay.
Well, Nissan was being clever with the split design, so your standard covers weren't going to cover it. Well, the aftermarket comes through again with these handy little center armrest pads that are two pads in one. Well, the installation is seemingly straightforward, but that split design does come with a few problems. You do have to put your rubbing alcohol on to make sure that the top is clean, and there is an adhesive strip that helps hold it in place. But also to help hold it in place is this Velcro strap. Now here I'm taking off the adhesive tape protector, and then you kind of hold it so you can get it lined up. And I think the tape is there to hold it while you put the Velcro strip in. I'm not sure. But it's a two-step process to hold it in. Once it's in, it's pretty sharp. And it solves a huge problem. Not only do I have a cover for my armrest, we have Rogue. Yay. And they're both installed, and you see there's little side pockets. Very elegant setup.
Quiet Monkey, yes, we have a monkey on staff.
What vehicle is this again?
A common design feature that Nissan left off was the name, the model name, on the sides of the car, usually on the front door. It would say Rogue in chrome letters. This doesn't do it. So how do I know from the side? The biggest little name in all of Rogue branding. Zoom in camera 4. Anyway, these are Rogue valve stem caps. And this is going to be the most complex install video you've ever seen. So for those of you in Rio Linda, pay attention. I'll try to go slow. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to install one. Otherwise, this video will be like 30 minutes long as I try to install all 4 because it really is complex. Start with that one. Yep. And unlike the plastic caps, they won't crack and come off. Give them a little extra. You don't want to get them too smug, but there you go. The biggest little name in branded Rogue accessories.
Quiet monkey? No. I do not need a car warranty.
There you have it, the 3 essential mods for my Rogue.
So, who is
What
busting
vehicle
these
is this
modifications?
again?
What vehicle is this again?
Why were we benched in this episode?
I have a good idea.
We got benched for this one.
Sandy. I should have known. Thank you for watching.
So, who is busting
Please
these
subscribe.
modifications?
Please like and leave a comment.
Computer and program.